Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone notification sound louder. Now head into the settings app of your iPhone. And from here, let's scroll down until we get to where it says sounds and haptics. Just tap on that. We're going to do a number of things in here. The first thing, of course, is if you have silent mode turned on, you won't be able to hear those notifications because, of course, silent mode is turned on. So let's toggle that off and make sure that stays off. The second thing we're going to do is right here, ringtones and alerts. Let's use this volume slider to move it all the way up as loud as possible. Another big culprit is when your iPhone is in your purse or your pocket. If change with buttons is turned on, you might accidentally be pressing the volume down button. And you'll be able to see as I do that, that slider goes down. So I would recommend turning off change with buttons and bumping this all the way up so that this ringer volume stays as loud as possible. But that's not the only thing. Let's scroll down from here and let's make sure there's no built-in limits. So you can see the built-in speaker, there's a volume limit that you might have accidentally turned on. So let's tap on volume limit here and you can see it's turned on and limiting it to 40%. Let's turn this off so that it is not limiting it at all. But let's also go back, and if you have headphones in and you get a call, you might want to limit or turn off the reduce loud sounds. Again, this will limit the volume of those notifications for text message, for calls, WhatsApp, all that stuff. So I would recommend turning that off as well. After we've done those, let's go back out of here one. And then let's scroll up until we get to ringtone. Now keep in mind the default is reflection here. However, that is not the loudest ringtone that's available on your iPhone. You can always scroll down and the loudest volume for any ringtone, if you tap on classic, is alarm here. So you can see that's super loud. I don't necessarily like that, and it's really loud. It will definitely startle you, but if you're having a hard time hearing the other ones, that alarm one will definitely be loud enough to hear. Now, the next thing we're going to do is hop out of here and swipe down from the top right. Make sure this volume slider is turned all the way up as well so that you'll be able to hear that. And now the last thing that you can do, of course, is the speakers are at the very bottom of your iPhone and right here at the top. So I would recommend just getting a little toothpick or a cloth and cleaning around the bottom of your iPhone. And keep in mind, if you do have a case on your iPhone, that can muffle the sounds of it. So you might want to consider taking the case off or just using a different case that will make your iPhone a lot louder. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.